Hello everybody, today I want to tell you about how to put Facebook icon on iPhone. Now let me show you. Maybe it's the same thing or not. Let me speak fast. Okay, in profile pictures icon. Okay, now open your Facebook. When you are here, find in your corner three lines. Okay, remember update your app first. Touch it and open your profile. When you are here, can you watch a little camera, okay, in your profile picture below share and out? Touch here and when you are here, you can touch and select your profile friends, okay, different icons here. Touch in more and you can find different icons, okay. It's my birthday, or peace, or war, love, hug, okay, love air, birthday candles, okay, in my birthday confetti, birthday balloons, save our planet, bringing peace, paper hairs, different things, okay. You can select what do you want, okay. It's so easy and really fast. I hope that this information works for you. Sorry for my bad English and have a good day. See you later.